Meaning of KISS principle.
KISS principle.
KISS principle.
KISS principle.
KISS principle. The KISS principle is a design concept that stands for Keep It Simple, Stupid. It is a principle that suggests that most systems work best if they are kept simple rather than made more complicated. In other words, unnecessary complexity should be avoided, and simplicity should be prioritized in all aspects of the design and development process. This principle is widely used in various industries, including engineering, software development, and management. It helps to reduce errors, increase efficiency, and make products more user-friendly.